This is the fireplace area. Wirings here. This is entire fireplace area going in the rounds. This is all the wiring here for electricals, and this is for the outlet for TV. This is another outlet here. This is exhaust. These are all the wirings going here, continuing capturing the plumbing. Plumbing goes all the way from here to here, and this is hitting the nearby the entrance of the back door. This is the back door. Again capturing the plumbing one more time. And this is the point for fridge. This is the wiring here going down. This is another wiring here capturing the kitchen area. This is the entrance from the garage side. This is all the wiring here. This is the plumbing from the kitchen area and going all the way here, coming out, going all the way here. So this is all the plumbing. Let's see it one more time. So this is electricals here, and this is again all the lighting connections. This is the kitchen area. This is the countertop. Countertop has this plumbing here for the wash basin or sink. This is the PPC area, wiring. This is some additional wiring here going into the walk-in closet. In the walk-in closet of kitchen, again there is a pipeline just going into basement. Again there is some pipeline in the walk-in closet going all the way. Again this is giving some hot and cold water wiring here. This is the other side of walk-in closet. Again viewing from inside walk-in closet towards kitchen, and this is the light area. So that's pretty much about this one. Going into the foyer area. This is a small closet in foyer. It has this plumbing going all the way down, and this is the lighting in the foyer area going down. This is the bedroom. This is the HVAC. Lighting here, lighting here, lighting here, and there is another wiring here. So this one we are done. Going to the PPC. This is the PPC area. In the PPC area, again we have light over here above stairs going inside the PPC area. This is all the PPC area. This is the lighting here. This is the lighting here, and this is pretty much all the PPC. Going back, just taking a view of from stairs to the top of the house and coming all the way back. Going into the first floor common bathroom. So this is bathroom area. This is the plumbing. This is the wiring for electricity. This is the plumbing. Hooking up. This is HVAC, plumbing, electricals, all of it. Here will be the shower room. Going to the entry. This is the entry of the house. Let's look at from the entrance here. There's electricals here, going all the way down. So these are all the electricals. This is the basement, stairs. This is the first floor bedroom. Again, taking the video of all the electricals. This is all of it. This is light, this is fan, this is again light, and this is the window. Not much here. Okay, going out of here. I think covered everything. And there will be a light going out of here to the back of the house. And this is the primary connection point for refrigerator. And I think, and this is the gas point. So this is the gas area. And this is the fireplace in the kitchen. I think that covers everything in terms of video. This is the light on top of the kitchen countertop or wash basin area. All right, I think we're done.